I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Affirm to Stripe, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Start by logging into your Affirm account using your credentials. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, find the section for transferring funds. This is usually located in the main menu or under a Payments tab. Step 3. Enter transfer details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After entering the details, review the transfer summary and confirm the transaction. You may receive a prompt for additional verification, such as a code sent to your email. Step 5. Check your Stripe account. Finally, log into your Stripe account to ensure the funds have been received. It may take a few minutes for the transfer to reflect in your balance. Remember, sometimes transfers can take longer than expected, especially if there are any issues with verification. If you don't see the funds after a while, check your email for any alerts from either service. I hope this helps you with your transfer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.